This is Boo Boo, Bada Mata, a Saint Bernard who was picked up from the streets, I think abandoned. Hey Boo Boo, यहाँ देखो तुम कैमरा में Boo Boo. And we found him, and an animal group gave this dog to me. अगर आप देखेंगे इसका so friendly है. As you can see, Boo Boo is very happy. Baapre. Boo Boo is very happy with me, and I think he's at home. Say hello to everyone, Boo Boo. Have a great day, people.